没有字。Hi, I'm Chef Eric Neo. When you think of satay, you think of chicken, beef, or pork satay. Today, I'm going to show you that fish satay using locally farmed Barramundi, which is equally, if not more delicious. Let's start. Here you have it, the Barramundi fish satay with tomato salsa. This Barramundi, or what some call the Asian sea bass or kimbap law, is farmed in Singapore. I choose to use local produce in my menu because they are fresher. The shorter distance from farm to fork means the produce reaches you faster, fresher, and with more nutrients retained. Their quality is also guaranteed as they can be easily traced to the farm source. So support our local farmers by choosing to use local produce in your dishes. You can identify them by the new SG Fresh Produce logo in store and online.